Right, the other one. Leanne, Amanda. Look what we're doing. Next one, the other hand, go. 1, go. 2, 3, go. 4, go. 5, and again, come on. 6, two more. 7, one more. And 8, well done. Can you do that again? Ready? Right, one leg. Go. 1, and again, go. 2, keep your hand up. 3, we're talking 4. 4, what you're doing. 5, lower abdominals. 6, 2 for the price of 1. 7, lower abdominals. And 8, stretching the legs. Okay, that's for the lower. Okay? The next one is for here. The advanced is this. Okay, I'm not using any arms. I'm just coming up and down. Well done. If you can't, hold on to your thighs till you're alive. And come up. Bring up. 1. Brilliant. And again. Go. 2. Keep it up. Go. 3. Breathe out the way up. Go. 4. Breathe out the way up. Come on. 5. Breathe out the way up. Come on. 6. 2 more. One more. You have my right. Lie down. Let's see your waist. Face me. Hiya. Right, we done.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy.
Bend. 6, keep it bent. 7, one more, now hold it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Touch. I know you've got bosoms. Touch. Go. 3.
I know you've got
yes. 4. Squeeze. 5. Elbows touch. 6 is your arm. 7 and 8. 4 more. 4, 3, 2. One more. Keep it 1. That won't help. Do it again. Go. 1. Go. 2. Squeeze. 3. One more. And down. Okay, now hold it there. Now up. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Triceps. 6, 7, 8. Well done. It's your arm. Okay. Let's do your leg. Then this one. This. make your toes point towards you. 1, go. 1, go. 2, and again, go. 3, don't drop on the floor. 4, don't drop on the floor. 5, and again. 6 is your leg. 7 is your leg. Hold it. 8, 7 is your leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, and down. Okay, next one. So what we're going to do, you're going to do this. With the same leg. So what we do, we do all this part. So come here. Yeah, you're going to come towards me. Ready? Yeah. Right, and you're going that way. Ready? Everyone go, go. 1. Bend your knees. 2. And back. Come on, lift up. Come on, lift. 3. And again, lift up. It's your leg. Lift it. 4. It's your legs. And again, on your 8. Lift up. 5. And again. And again. Keep going. 6. 2 more. 2 more. It's your legs. And again. 1 more. 1 more. And relax. Well done. Remember, you haven't got no weights on it. It's just your leg is lifting up. I just want to tell you that, yeah? It's your leg. You ain't got no weights on it. Next one. So, toes pointing towards you. So, we're doing this part, yeah? Okay? Go. 1, 2, and again, toe. 3, that's it, keep going. Bend that knee. 4, right, go. 5, go. 6, 7, 8, 4 more for stoppages. 4, control it down. 3, control it. 2, 1 more. 1, well done. Yeah, okay. So that was for here. Yeah? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to lift. Yeah, Pete, come touch me. Go, come on, touch. 2, and again, go, lift. 3, lift, come on. 4, lift, go. 5, touch. 6, touch. 7, touch. 8, 4 more. Lift up. 4, go, lift. 3, lift with your leg. Lift up the leg. 2, 1 more. That's your leg. Okay, get out. So we've done here, we've done here. We're going to do this part, yeah? So come stand up, stand up. We're nearly finished, we're nearly finished. And again, 1. On your toes. Come on, toes. And again. And again. And again, on your toes, toes. Toes, and again, come on. Toes. Now together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on your toes. 6, and again. 7, now on your toes. Balance. Balance. 8, on your toes. 7, 6. Follow me. 1, 2, balance. 3, 4. Higher. Welcome. Welcome. Exercise. 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. That's what you do for the back. So you need to do the body fat here. Yeah? So you have to twist. So what you do, you lie down. 1, 2, go. Go. Look. 1, don't touch. 2, center. 3, go. 4, go. 5, and again, go. 6, and again. 7, squeeze tight. 8, higher. 9, 10, 4 more blocks. 4, and again, lift up your hand. 3, and again. 2, 1 more. Now last one, watch. Squeeze your bottom. 1, go. 2, go. 3, go. 4, go. 5, 6, lift up. No. Yeah. Keep that going. Lift up your shoulders. Go. 1, go. 2, well, 3, go. 4, go. 5, squeeze that. 6, squeeze. 7, 1 more, hold it. 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, and come up. That's for your back. That was for here. Done! Well done. Yeah? That's balance. So you're doing, yeah, that's it, well done. Okay, it's hard. It's hard. It's hard. Balance. Balance! Yes, Jimmy, that's it. Well done. Now the other leg. So what we do on your side? Next one, go. I'm back. Now take it out. Side, go, go. Come on, lift up your leg. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more. One more. Come on. Last one. Go. 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 Come on. 8, back. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's core strength. Well done. So we've done here. We've done here. We've done everything. Well done.